What's cooking, foodies? Today I'm going to show you how we make ceviche in my house. This cold seafood dish with zesty lemon, herbs, and avocado is a must in my home during the summer months. And then if you're not a fan of seafood, you can just take out the shrimp, and this is my go-to recipe for chunky salsa. All right, so let's get started. If you would like to make this a spicy ceviche, dice 1 jalapeno and use spicy V8 juice. You will need 1 pound pre-cooked salad shrimp, 7 Roma tomatoes, 1 red onion, 3 lemons, a bushel of cilantro, 2 avocados, 1/4 cup V8 juice, and tostadas. You'll want to dice your tomatoes and onions. I'm using this handy chopping gadget that I got off of Amazon. It makes for quick work, and all the veggies are cut the same, making for a prettier ceviche. Next, go ahead and cut and juice your 3 lemons and add to the onions and tomatoes. Go ahead and chop up your 2 avocados. Chop your cilantro and add. Add your 1/4 cup of V8 juice. Add your drained and rinsed shrimp. I like to refrigerate this dish for about an hour or 2 before serving up, and then go ahead and make your tostadas. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and do the taste test here. It's delicious. It tastes like summer. It's very lemony, bursts of cilantro, and that fresh seafood taste. It's so good. We eat it in our house every summer. Some people actually trade out the lemon for lime. And then, like I said, if you're not a seafood fan, go ahead and take out the shrimp. And you can use this as like a chunky salsa. Just add more V8 juice to it. All right, so if you like this video, feel free to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.